अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स, उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो भाई आज इस वीडियो में आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करूँगा सेकंड ईयर फिज़िक्स के बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट MCQ। 17 नंबर आपके कन्फर्म है अगर आपने ये वीडियो देख ली पूरी। सिर्फ वीडियो देख के आपको याद हो जाएंगे, आपको सेपरेट याद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। इफ़ द एंगुलर फ्रीक्वेंसी ऑफ AC जनरेटर इंक्रीज टू डबल द टाइम पीरियड वुड बिकम हाफ। The central region of transistor is known as space. The source of magnetism of an atom is the orbital and spin motion of electron. If we connect an ordinary DC ammeter to measure alternating current, it would measure its value as instantaneous value over a cycle. The resistance between plus and minus inputs of operations amplifier is very high. X-ray ejects electron from meter by Compton effect. Radiotherapy is often used in the treatment of cancer with iodine 131. In an expression for time dilation, the quantity is always less than 1. When a nucleus emits alpha particles, the charge number decreases by 2. In this process of annihilation of matter, the two photons produced move in opposite direction to conserve momentum. These three resistors 1 ohm, 2 ohm and 3 ohm are connected in series to a battery of 9 volts. The current flowing through each resistance will be 1.5 ohm. आपको सिंपल ये वीडियो सुननी है, आप लोग वीडियो सुनने आपके MCQ याद हो जाएंगे। 17 नंबर कन्फर्म है इंशाल्लाह, आपके सारे MCQ इसी में से आएंगे। 1 ohm मल्टीप्लाई बाई 1 farad इज इक्वल टू 1 सेकेंड। द चार्ज ऑन ड्रॉपलेट इन मिलिकन एक्सपेरिमेंट इज कैलकुलेटेड बाई यूजिंग फार्मूला। ये मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि वीडियो के लास्ट पे इसका जो डाउनलोड का लिंक है वो भी आपके साथ शेयर करते जाए। सो अगर आपने अभी तक हमारे इस चैनल डियर स्टूडेंट्स को सब्सक्राइब नहीं करा तो भाई यहाँ से करके सब्सक्राइब, नोटिफिकेशन बेल को ऑल पे सेलेक्ट कर दें और वीडियोस को लाजमी लाइक कर दें ताकि जो बाकी पेपर्स की वीडियोस हैं वो भी आप लोग जल्दी पहुँच जाए। ये देखिए जैसे आप वीडियोस में आएंगे आपको यहाँ पर स्कीम भी दिख जाएगी, पेपर दिख जाएगा और बाकायदा अहम चीज़ें बुक से आपने क्या करनी है क्या छोड़नी है वो भी मैंने ऑलरेडी सारा कुछ अपलोड कर रखा है। सो लाजमी तौर पर आपने ये चीज़ें देख लेनी है अगर आप लोग अच्छे मार्क्स लेना चाह रहे हैं तो। Two parallel straight wires carrying current in the same direction would they attract each other if a conductor of length 1 meter is moved with velocity v across a magnetic field 1/2b and inductor may store energy its magnetic field F is equal to Fe plus Me. Photocopier and jet printer are electrostatic. Selenium is photoconductor. Simon is the unit of conductance. Sensitivity of galvanometer can be increased by increasing the magnetic field. 0. Mutual induction has a practical role in performance of transformer. Henry is as a unit of self-inductance. In three-phase voltage across any two lines is about 400 volt. At high frequency, the value of reactance of capacitor in AC circuit is low. A device used to detect very weak magnetic field produced by brain is known as square. Size of base is transistor 10-6. Potential barrier for germanium 0.3. Photodiode nanosecond. Joule second is the unit of Planck's constant. Photon emitted in inner shell transition are characteristics. X is 0.1 kg mass will equivalent to energy. SI unit of absorbed dose is gray. A rubber ball of radius 0. Which of the following relation is correct? Joule is equal to Coulomb multiply volt. In carbon resistors, which color band indicates the tolerance of plus minus 10% silver? For an open circuit, terminal potential difference Vt. An electron traveling at 10 की power 6 तो इसका वही आएगा 0. When a charged particle is projected to the direction of magnetic field, it experiences a force of equal to 0. In order to increase the range of voltmeter RH increase, which device permits the flow of DC inductor? For an ideal transformer, VSIS is equal to greater होना चाहिए VP. When a metal detector comes close to a metal, then its frequency is increased. In RLC CD circuit at high frequency, XL is equal to XC. Which one belongs to trivalent group? Aluminium. Color of light emitted by LED depends upon its forward biasing. At a low temperature, body emits a radiation of longer wavelength. The shortest in Lyman series is equal to in the reaction X आपने बताना कितना होगा A11 hydrogen. If the charges are doubled and the distance between them is also double, Coulomb force will be remain same. Energy stored by unit volume in magnetic field is called energy density. As a unit of reactance is ohm. The device which allows only the flow of DC is inductor. A vacant or partially filled band is called forbidden band. For normal operation of transistor, the emitter base junction is always forward biased. As a unit of current again, इसका आएगा नो यूनिट. The factor has incompetent factor has a dimension of length. The materialization of energy takes place in the process of paired production. Joule second is the unit of Planck's constant. Types of quark 6. Liquid metal fast breeder reactor the type of uranium ये. Force between charges ये है जी, permittivity ये है. उनके दरमियान आपने चार्जेस इंड्यूस करना है तो 10. ठीक है, तो आपने ये जो मेडिकल वाले हैं आपने खुद ही पढ़ लेना है. टॉलरेंस ऑफ सिल्वर कलर 10% होती है.
Two parallel wires carrying current in opposite direction repel each other. If the coil is wound on an iron core, the flux through it is increased. Binding energy per nucleus is maximum for iron. Number of electron in 1 coulomb. What is force of a proton placed between two parallel plate containing equal positive charge is 0. Remains same. The brightness of spot in the CRO is controlled by grid. Principle of electric generator is based on Faraday's law. Energy stored in the inductor, it is in the form of magnetic energy. 120 and 240 frequency range in FM 88 to 108. 163 minus 10. A PN junction cannot be used as amplifier. Angle of scattering for which the Compton shift is maximum 90. If temperature is double for a black body, the energy radiated per second per unit area becomes 16 times. In spectrum of hydrogen, bracket series lies in infrared region. Half-life of radium is 2 to 6, 1620 years. Compton wavelength इतनी होती है. Energy required for period production ये है 1 rem इसके बराबर होता है SV के. Subatomic particles are divided into 3 groups. Study of electric charges that rest under the action of electrostatic force is known as electrostatic. Kirchhoff's second rule is manifestation of law of conservation of I think ये एनर्जी का है. ठीक है, ये देख लीजिएगा. Formula of magnetic field due to solenoid is given by ये. Formula value of permeability of free space ये है. Lenz's law is also statement of law of conservation of energy. Electric current produced magnetic field was discovered by Oster. Impedance of RL series circuit का formula ये होता है. Capacitance required to construct a resonant circuit of frequency ये तो ये चलेगा. Substance which undergo plastic deformation until the break are called ductile substance. The size of base transistor is order of 10 to minus 6. Two input NAND gate with input A and B has an output of 0. Both A and B are 0. If which one is photoconductor selenium E beta M proton. If transistor of electron in hydrogen atom ends at third orbit, then the radiation emitted lies in Paston. Unit of Planck's constant joule second. Amount of energy released due to complete conservation of 1 kg mass into energy is 9 multiplied 10 to the power 6. Open loop gain of operational amplifier is of the order 10 to 5. In transistor, the central region known as base. SI unit or modulus of velocity is Pascal. Peak to peak value is a 2 volt not 2 V naught. When the motor is running at maximum speed, back EMF will be maximum. Working principle of transformer ये होता है. Lenz's law is in accordance with the law of conservation of energy. Lorentz force ये होती है total plus करके electric और magnetic. The magnetic induction has the same unit of flux density. Mach per meter is the SI unit of conductivity. A charge of 4 coulomb is in the field of intensity 4 Newton per coulomb. The force on the charge is 16 Newton. The force on an electron in a field of 1 multiplied 10 to the power 8 Newton per coulomb will be ये होती है. Electric flux is maximum when angle between E and surface area 0. Heat generated by 50 watt bulb in 1 hour ये होती है. Relation आपने ये बताना है, इसे कहते हैं Ampere's law. Magnetic force इसका 0 है. Which of the application of mutual induction step up transformer? Henry can be written as volt second per ampere in RLC series circuit resonance या impedance R के बराबर होती है. Choke consume extremely small current potential या power. ठीक है, I think ये power आएगा इसका. Single domain in paramagnetic substance ये होती है. AB is mathematical notation NAND. इसी तरह ये आपने पढ़ लेने हैं जी रोक के. ये जो मेडिकल वाले हैं ना मेडिकल टाइप ये आपने पढ़ लेने. ये मैं नहीं पढ़ूंगा क्योंकि पढ़ने थोड़े से डिफिकल्ट होते हैं. An electron can reside in the metastable state for about 10 to the power minus 3 seconds. Which group belongs to hardons, protons and neutrons? Due to polarization, electric field in an capacitor is decreased. Force which is responsible for the breaking up of radioactive element, weak nuclear force. Lenz's law deals with the direction of induced current. A pair of quark and anti-quark meson. When ohmmeter gives full scale deflection, it indicates zero resistance. SI unit of magnetic permeability is Weber per ampere per meter. In intrinsic semiconductor doping is of order 1 atom to 10⁶. Unit of work function is joule. Metastable state 10 to the power minus 6 4 times. When AC pass through an inductor, voltage leads the current by an angle 90. ये अपने पढ़ लेने अभी सारे रोक एक दफ़ा. Resistance is choke is very small. In P type substance, the majority charge carrier are holes. IC over IE. इसी तरह ये आपने पढ़ लेने हैं सारे. ठीक है. Energy of photon is given by HF. Energy of the fourth orbit in hydrogen atom ये होती है. X-rays are electromagnetic inductions having the wavelength in a range 10 to the power minus 10 meter. Number of neutron इसमें आपने बताने दोनों को माइनस करके पता चल जाएगा. ठीक है, 5 में से 2 जाएंगे 3 आ जाएगा. 13 में से होंगे 4 तो ये आंसर है इसका. ठीक है, तो भाई ये आपका लास्ट पेपर है. मैं इसको जूम आउट कर देता हूँ ताकि आप लोग जो है वो यूज़ कर लें. कम्यूटेटर आर यूज इन डीसी जनरेटर टू कंस्ट्रक्ट अ स्टेप अप ट्रांसफार्मर. सेकेंडरी हमेशा प्राइमरी से बड़े होने चाहिए. सम ऑफ नेगेटिव एंड पॉजिटिव पीक वैल्यूज पीपी वैल्यू. तो भाई ये आपके लिए एमसीक्यूज है जो कि शेयर किए हैं. इंशाल्लाह अगर आपने ये MCQs पूरे याद कर लिए हैं तो आपके 17 नंबर कन्फर्म है और आपका बहुत अच्छा पेपर हो जाएगा। बाकी लाजमी तौर पे आपने इस वीडियो को लाइक कर देना है और चैनल पर नए हैं तो भाई नोटिफिकेशन बेल को लाजमी ऑल पे सेट करके जाइएगा ताकि बाकी पेपर्स की वीडियोज़ आप तक पहुँचते रहें। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। टिल द एंड खुदा हाफिज़। पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद।